Welcome to 36 Gillingham Street, a beautifully updated 4-bedroom home with 3 washrooms nestled within Toronto's well-established West Rouge neighbourhood. The front yard perennial garden, an interlocking terrace, plus a stone portico with an arched entry, arched window, and a faux balcony above add to the curb appeal of this brick home. While a glass-paneled entry door surrounded by sidelights and a transom welcome you into a bright, well-lit and freshly painted main level showcasing a wonderful open-concept design that will delight those who love to entertain. The soft, neutral decor complements the warm golden hue of the oak hardwood flooring that flows throughout the fluid layout of the living and family rooms. Spaces that can be reconfigured to accommodate entertaining needs if a formal dining room or additional conversation areas are desired. Updated pot lighting, natural light spilling through west and south-facing windows, as well as crisp white trims, baseboards, and accent decor columns enhance the brightness of these 2 entertaining spaces. And for added coziness, centered between the south windows is a gas fireplace surrounded by a wood mantel. Showcasing a crisp, clean, modern decor, the kitchen has been updated with quartz counters and backsplashes. Its white cabinetry offers abundant storage that includes a pantry, and the cabinetry hardware ties in with the stainless steel French door fridge, range hood, oven with smooth surface cooktop, double undermount sink, and dishwasher. The west-facing walkout in the breakfast area has a transom above it, and the sliding glass doors open onto a large entertaining deck that steps down to a fully fenced backyard with existing gardening beds. Upgraded light fixtures brighten the foyer, the breakfast area, and the kitchen, all which feature light-colored ceramic flooring. Across from the living room is a sunken landing, with this landing stepping up to a combined laundry and mudroom with ceramic flooring, a front-load washer and dryer, cabinetry and closet storage, as well as access to the home's attached double-car garage. The landing also providing staircase access to an unfinished lower level featuring a cold room and lots of potential for future recreational space. A powder room featuring a vanity updated with a quartz counter, plus a mirrored door double coat closet are both found off the foyer area, while curving gracefully to the upper level is a new oak hardwood staircase with wrought iron pickets. This level has also been freshly painted, features 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 updated washrooms, as well as showcasing upgraded light fixtures and laminate flooring throughout. Just off the landing is the main 4-piece washroom, its floor and bath area finished with upgraded tiles, and its vanity updated with a quartz counter. All 4 bedrooms additionally showcase the elegance of crown moldings, with the second bedroom featuring a double-sized closet with a single door and a large south-facing window. The third bedroom has a double closet and 2 windows, the east-facing window having an arched transom and a raised ceiling above it. While the fourth bedroom has a double closet flanked by wall niches that can be transformed into bookshelves, display units, or additional storage closets, as well as a walkout with sidelights and an arched transom with a raised ceiling above and which opens onto an east-facing balcony overlooking the street. All 3 of these bedrooms also able to accommodate sitting or study areas. Through a double-door entry is the master suite. This graciously sized personal space filled with natural light streaming through its west-facing windows. Able to accommodate a sitting area, Its ceiling light fixture and pot lights are surrounded by picture frame trim work. The walk-in closet is complete with organizers, and its gorgeous spa-like ensuite washroom showcases accent pot lighting, upgraded tiled finishes throughout, a walk-in shower area with a stainless steel wall niche, a corner soaker tub with corner windows above it, and a contemporary vanity updated with a quartz counter. Situated in a well-established neighborhood that backs onto Bob Hunter Park, this home is minutes from schools, places of worship, and the villages of Abbey Lane Shopping Mall, is close to TTC, Durham Region, and GO Transit bus service, has quick access to Highway 401, and is just a short drive to the Rouge Hill GO train station, the Toronto Zoo, the Port Union Waterfront Park, as well as the nature trails and other scenic attractions that can be found within nearby Rouge National Urban Park. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.